Today's video, we are going to be doing our most requested video, which is our jet black. Now, our jet black and dark brown consists of two-step process. So Allie here would love to do our jet black process. So we will do that. We will do pure henna first, as stated in the instructions, and then we will do our indigo powder, and we'll see how our results come out. I'm excited to see your color. So I have this lovely green here, so she doesn't want to take them out yet, so we will foil them away and we will show the process. So let's get started. day 2. Yesterday we did pure henna application because Ali wants to do jet black. Today we'll be doing indigo powder, but since she rinsed this out, so you can see right here the pure henna, how it's showing up. Now you can see right here towards the bottom where she has darker color hair, where she had her hair dyed darker. You previously did have it black, right? Mm-hmm. So, and then afterwards, what color did you do?
I just let it grow out with my natural color on top.
Okay. So what color you had before?
It was my natural color.
Your natural, okay. Mm-hmm. So you can see right here, the pure henna is more prominent here. And I mean, you could still see it. I'm not sure if you can see it too much in the video. So the bottom is a little dark, but right here, beautiful, beautiful pure henna, natural red color, I would consider this. So we did leave out her strands here, so you can, I don't know if you can see, but very slightly where we did not apply the pure henna, where her brown hair is, and you can tell the difference here. So we're gonna go ahead and apply the indigo powder, and we will see the results that will come out dark. I'm excited for that.
Me too.
We are here on day 3 now. So we did indigo powder applications, as you already saw. Now, since Ali had chemical treated her hair, bleached her hair, oh girl, what did you do?
I know.
We're gonna do another application, so you can see, you can turn this way.
Like this.
I mean, it's still so beautiful. The color came out really gorgeous, but she wants to go a little bit darker. So we're gonna do another application of indigo powder, and I wanted to show you guys this can happen, but your hair feels amazing.
I know. It's
then
so
the first time when I did pure henna, it was, and now the second application, oh, it's so beautiful.
It's so good.
All right, so we're gonna do another application of indigo powder, and we'll be back with the results.